Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to delete images and videos in Grok Imagine. Start by opening Grok AI on your computer. Once the website is open, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, click on Imagine. After you click Imagine, you will see your favorites in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Favorites. Here, you will see all the videos you have generated. To delete a video, first click on the video you want to remove to open it. Once the video is open, look at the top right corner of the video player. You will see three dots. Click on these three dots. A menu will appear. From this menu, click on Delete Video. The video will be deleted from your Grok Imagine library. If you created that video from an image, the image will still be saved in your library. To remove the image, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the image and then select Unsave. This will completely remove the image from Grok Imagine. If you have uploaded any images to create similar images, you can remove those as well. To do this, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then select Files from the menu. At the top of this screen, you will see all your uploaded images. To delete an image, click the Delete button next to the file you want to remove. The image will be deleted from your account. Thanks for watching.